I teach meditation, I propose that you should be an incredible underachiever. You can't do it wrong. And yet your mind is saying, oh my God, like, how come it's so easy for everyone else and it's so difficult for me? I overthink. I can't do this. I can't do that. My leg is numb. You can't listen to those voices. You have to cultivate this way of observing your mind. And at some point in time, I believe you'll appreciate the ridiculousness of your own thinking apparatus, right? So again, be an underachiever, sit there for 2 minutes. You can choose whatever meditation resonates with you, whether it's on the breath or you have images or thoughts on a leaf going down a stream or a mantra. There are infinite types of meditation. So just go out there. I love YouTube. Put in 5 minutes stress meditation, put in whatever you want, try everything, and just be an underachiever. Sit there and try to just see what happens when you can release that thinking apparatus for just seconds.